my lecture series upon number theory. Today we are going to discuss the topics, and the major topics we have like divisibility, the modular arithmetic, the periodic valuation, Diophantine equations, and some problems solving strategies we will also discuss. But at first we have to see the subtopics which we have to cover. Like under divisibility, we have to cover Euclidean and division algorithm, which is very basic, Bizot's identity, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, challenging division problems, and some related problems also. The same, there are 5 subtopics under the modular arithmetic. The first is inverses, the second Chinese remainder theorem, the third Euler's quotient theorem, and the Fermat's Little theorem. The fourth is the equation x square is congruent to -1 mod p, and some others. In the third topic we have 4 subtopics in periodic valuation. The first is definition and basic theorems, the second is valuation of factorials, the third is lifting the exponent, the fourth is general problems for the reader. In next topic, which is Diophantine equations, the first is bounding, the second is the modular contradiction method, the third is general problems for the reader, and the last section we have some problem solving strategies, which we have some subtopics here. Actually, this is very important to discuss that the topics you are just going through, these topics are very important, and we will discuss at advanced level, because in the previous lecture series we have also already done some basic discussions upon the number theory. So here we go for our first topic, which is divisibility. So in this chapter we will explore the divisibility, the building block of number theory. This chapter will introduce many important concepts that will be used throughout the rest of the book. Divisibility in an extremely fundamental concept in number theory, we already know, and has applications including fudge puzzles, encrypting messages, computer security, and many algorithms. An example is checking whether universal product codes UPC or International Standard Book Number ISBN codes are legitimate. You are well aware about this barcode. You generally see this barcode upon the back side of book or many product and items which you are going to purchase and all. So what is the meaning of this code? This is very basics and based upon the number theory. You can see there are total number of digits here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So this is the 12 digits barcode, and here, in order for the 12 digit UPC code above to legitimate, we order the digits x1, x2, x3 up to xx12. The expansion here: 3x1 plus x2 plus 3x3 plus x4 plus 3x5 plus x6 plus 3x7 plus x8 plus 3x9 plus x10 plus 3x11 plus x12. So here we have an arrangement for the total 12 digits. Here you can see there are the certain gaps and intervals with 3 and 1. 3 is the coefficient of first term, same here 1 is the coefficient of second term, 3 is again, 1 is again, 3 is again. So this is alternatively the coefficients are arranged in a way that 3 and 1 is at the places here. You can see there must be divisible by 10. We are indeed verify that the above codes gives 0 into 3. Here x1 is 0, so 0 into 3 plus 3 into 1, here 1 x2, and x2 is 3. So here you can see here x2 is 3, x3 is 6, x4 is 0 again. So here 3 into 1, 6 into 3, 0 into 1, 0 into 3, 0 into 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3, you can see same here, and this is equal to 60, which is divisible by 10. Therefore the UPSC code is valid. So it must be divisible by 10 because of the verification of this code.